If you think garlic rice is great on its own, wait until you try it packed with colorful crunchy vegetables. Today we are making the ultimate vegetable garlic rice. It's quick, super fragrant and turns basic rice into a complete delicious meal. So let's get started. Welcome to Paneli Kitchen. First heat a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, pinch of asafoetida, 1/4 cup of chopped garlic and few curry leaves. Saute it on medium heat until the garlic turns golden and aromatic. Now add your favorite vegetables. I am using half cup of finely diced carrots, half cup green peas and half cup sweet corn. Stir fry the vegetables on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep them slightly crunchy for the best texture. Next add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and salt to taste. Saute for few seconds. Add 3 cups of cooked rice. Gently mix it with the vegetables. And look at that, our vegetable garlic rice is already looking absolutely delicious. Cover it and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. And that's it, our delicious garlic rice is ready. The aroma of garlic is absolutely amazing. This is perfect as a quick lunch, dinner or as a side dish with your favorite curry or stir fry. This recipe is perfect for busy days when you want something delicious without spending too much time in the kitchen. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next delicious recipe.